What's going down, healthies and healthettes? We got ourselves a Vitamix from Costco. This lovely number that I haven't even peeled this off. It was an online return that they shot right directly to their shelves and they marked it down, and I thought that was really freaking cool, so I bought it since mine completely had like shot out. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'll be doing some other unboxings for some other cool attachments. This one I couldn't resist. They had it on sale on the website, but let's go ahead and take a look at what we got. Now, you don't have to go through Costco to get this. So I'll leave an affiliate link down below where you can get it through Amazon, but I like the Costco deal, and they have a really killer warranty that backs up the warranty that Vitamix has too, so the convenience is just taking it there. One thing I will point out is this model usually is in stores because the online model comes with more cool gadgets, and there's some other cool prices that you can sign in order to see that as well. They always keep it very hush-hush. Inside the box, you're going to be greeted with this very lovely, almost looks PlayStation red controller, but it's a little bit more crimson, so understand this is a tiny bit darker, but my color templates are so popping on this. You get your awesome freaking booklet. If you don't know how to make anything, everything will be kind of inside here for starters. I like it a lot, and they have a lot of recipes. The reason why I picked this one up, which watch the unboxing for that one, I'm going to be making some NPK, some natural soil with that from my grandma. Thought that was really cool. That's why I picked it up. You can also make a lot of other fun stuff too. It doesn't have to be that, but just make sure you wash it, and the washing sequence is so freaking cool inside of this. Literally, it's just like a drop of soap, halfway full blast for 30 seconds, and it's clean, and then you can sterilize it with some nice vinegar at the end of the month, or you can wash it here and there. It's really your choice depending on how you use it, but they make it super simple because this thing literally is a one-stop shop. That's why I do love this Vitamix. On top of the situation where I had pointed out right now, you have your actual container where you can actually get this directly inside of there. Fits, and those attachments, other ones will be directly inside of there for this. Now, this is for if you have like ice or anything else directly inside of there that you are just not having a fun day without it chopping up. It will directly just smash it down, and you can conveniently, which I always love right here, unscrew this top, and you can take that off for cleaning directly on top of here. And if you couldn't already tell, I've had one of these. That's why I'm super excited to do the unboxing for this, legitly, because like, oh my gosh, I've been missing my smoothies, and my smoothies have been missing me. So it's back to smoothie every single freaking day. We're not gonna grind that like manual up. I just haven't taken that out. I don't want anyone to be like, grind it, be like, no. But what we are going to grind up is a smoothie. So I took out all the fruits that I wanted directly inside of there. Personally, what I like to use as a mixer is usually some kombucha. Doesn't matter which kind, as long as it's kombucha. It's delicious, and it's a nice little morning start, along with some yerba mate. So let's go ahead and add these ingredients in. We'll blend it up, and we'll see how loud this thing gets. I have a little decibel meter. So you can see right now, at this point in time, once I talk, it's about 72, give or take, down to a very noticeable level, 41 being the base. So let's see what happens once we turn it on. You can see it's matching roughly about the same talk level, but that's just step one. Doesn't take too long to get a smoothie if you want. 101 is what it popped off at. That's pretty loud and noticeable, so it's definitely something you wouldn't be wanting to making a margarita at 3 in the morning. But at that point in time, thank you very much for staying tuned for this unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will see you guys and gals in the near future. And if you subscribe today, who knows? Maybe I'll come out with some really cool Vitamix series stuff. I mean, this is just my daily normal thing. So I'll see you guys and gals in the near future. Stay classy, stay safe, and I'll see you guys and gals in there. Oh, also, one ingredient that I forgot that I put inside here that I love is honey. Honey is delicious in smoothies. Anyways, everyone, have a nice day, and I'll see you guys and gals in the near future. Now, again, this thing has freaking 10 speeds, and if you want to wash it, it's as easy as just turning it on while you drink your smoothie. And 30 seconds later, thanks to movie magic, you're drinking this about halfway through, give or take a quarter, and it's clean. Oh, and one cool thing I like to do personally, if you pour this over your dishes, it's warm, latherable soap that's completely like atomized. It's like perfect soapy water. Like, I'm just saying, you could put this again, use, recycle, reuse. All right, everyone, have a nice one. Later. I'm gonna enjoy my smoothie now.